I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video will be a quick after dark clean with me. I will be taking you guys as I tackle this complete disaster. It was after Carter's birthday party, and it was a must that this was clean before I head to bed. Do not forget that you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get the motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. What do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. What do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me.
If you guys are wondering what's on the floor, it is silly string. I have no idea why I thought that was a good idea, but I wanted the boys to have fun.
And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed.
If this is your first time clicking on my video, I would like to thank you for stopping by, and I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a graphic designer, boy mom, and also a military wife. And on my channel, you will find cleaning motivation, organization videos, and also some home decor inspiration. If this is something you would enjoy, please consider subscribing and comment below to introduce yourself, because I would love for you to become a part of my YouTube family.
Every day, babe, and days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe.
Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always about you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go. Trying to move on, looking for someone.
This video was recorded before I decorated my home. On this day, I recorded 3 videos, 2 for my cleaning channel and 1 for my blogging channel. So I was very tired. That's why this is a quick after dark clean with me, because I was trying to hurry up and clean the house so I can go to bed.
'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go.
I got a great response from my grocery haul and also the kitchen organization ideas. And I want to thank you guys so much. I love organizing, as you can tell, and there will be more organization videos to come.
Lonesome dripping, 'cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make-believe? Something you never needed? Or was it all for? I don't know yet anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance.
You guys love my kitchen and you like that it is bright and airy, and I love that also, but I am ready for some contrast. I believe that this island will be painted black, and we will also like to change our countertops, knobs. The faucet has already arrived. The pendant lights, I haven't quite made my mind up, but I will be adding those. And also I'm thinking about changing out the pantry door.
Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick After Dark Clean with me, and it gave you all the motivation you need to turn your messy home into a clean one. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.